look, it's foods in Chokin. This is 50 peso wonton soup, and chow fan is rice with meat, also 50 peso. I pay 100 peso only. Little bit I will eat, and free water. And later we go into drink coffee together with Georgi, and I will take video also. Georgi already arrived. Hi Georgi, how are you? I already finished it. Do you want it? Not hungry? Okay, so we will go to drink coffee. Georgi, let's go to this way. We can go into the normal exchange, check how much now dollar. Happy hour. Take a look, billiards also have.
No, small.
Ah, a small billiard, okay. Today 55.75. $1.
It's best exchange rate here or not?
No, I don't know.
Same line service.
But before 56. It's cool massage, 400 peso, cool massage. Did you been before in cool massage?
When I was in Thailand, I visit many massage places, but I find one place and it was really good. And they have medical massage certificate. So the masseurs working there, studying somewhere and get certificate.
But did you seen here in the Philippines?
Yes, in the Philippines I show already.
Before?
Year, yes.
Okay.
They also have certification. So that's why I don't go to anyone other place.
What do you think if someone buy sticker in Taobao or AliExpress sticker and put in the door and accredited massage? What do you think?
I don't.
But you already tried it, it's good, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe it's
The
true.
first massage I try in Balibago.
Okay. Juanita Guest House. How to say? Juanita or Juanita Guest House. Popular guest house.
Venus Hotel. It's Korean language, yes?
This is Korean language. I don't know Korean language. Yes, I think. Yeah, I don't know. I can only translate with Chinese language, and not all Chinese, of course. I
We
can
was last year.
Yeah, already.
No, Korean language. I
Yeah.
don't remember.
Yeah, we've been in this place. Have sauna also, Korean sauna. I already take video. What is this? It's like subdivision. Maybe it's back door because it's don't have security and closed gate. I think it's back door.
So, wag nandun ako, sasabihin mo sa akin, alis ka.
It's barangay. I don't know name of barangay. It's barangay Balibago, but maybe it's maybe not Balibago already. Balibago, yeah. Balibago. Barangay Balibago. I already walked before here.
Yes, I also try. I try to go to my place, but I cannot.
You cannot?
Yes, if I turn here, I can go to the park, freelancers park only. I cannot go to
Another.
primary hotel or
Only through freelancer park you can walk.
yes.
We can try it now. We can try.
Yes, you can try. I try this one. Maybe that's another.
You think this way? Okay, okay. Otsuka Sari Sari Store. Otsuka, Japanese name. Not so fast. Billiard also have. Take a look, Georgi. Have billiard and internet cafe. It's for children.
Hello!
Hello.
What's up? You vlogging?
Yeah. bridge. Did you been before? Here? No. Maybe it's closed road already.
Maybe we can go there and but I don't.
You don't know about.
Going this way,
Can we check what is this? Is bridge or what?
Yes, probably we can go here
Ага.
to my place.
Take a look, it's a salt bridge. I never been here. Railway, take a look, it's old railway.
Maybe we can.
Ага, we can ask. Very old.
The way to Manila
Yes, maybe.
because it's go to south.
Ага. Maybe way to Manila. Excuse me, where is railway station here? Joke only. You don't know, first time. This is old bridge, you don't know. Old bridge?
Yes.
Ага. This is the way to the terminal. Tricycle terminal in Balibago, yes?
Yes.
This is straight. Before it's a railway here. A railway going to where? You don't know. You don't know.
And can we go to Malabanya Barangay? Yes.
This way.
Yes.
Here. Okay, thank you very much. So Georgi, you already know. Next time you go into at night.
Yes.
And hold phone in your hand. Hold phone in your hand. And you come back to your apartment without phone. This way. Okay. Sleep.
Ano po ito? Yan lang sa gamit ko. Ano, dumugo kayo. Hindi dumugo, hindi man dumugo yun eh.
Excuse me, where is the way to Malabanyas? Here. Okay. Thank you. Malabanyas. Okay, thank you.
Be careful.
Oh, thank you. And now we don't know which way. Thank you. Where is Malabanyas? You don't. Where? You don't know Malabanyas.
Malabanyas,
Yes.
handsome people. Like me.
This way.
Where are you going, sir?
We're going to Malabanyas. No, you know.
From Asia, the building. Yeah, go there.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. You can add my YouTube channel. Subscribe. It's My Life Philippines. It's My Life Philippines. You can find.
Nicole!
Friendly people here.
Yes.
No. This road. This is Feliza subdivision. Feliza subdivision. Okay. Also this way. Apartments also. Oh, also foreigner. Take a look. Foreigner. foreigner live here. Maybe rent. So many interesting places. I try to turn my camera, but I know my subscribers don't like if I turn camera so fast. Not easy to watch. For rent. What is for rent? I don't know what it's. It's many houses for rent here. Okay. You know?
Yes. 3.
Now I remember this place. I walked maybe 1 week ago.
Yes, yes. In the day when I go to Russia,
Yeah.
I remember.
And I walked around. Jeepney. Hansonville. This river. So you walk in this river in the old bridge. Oh, diesel here 65, 45, so expensive. In Mabalakat now 55, no 58 now, 58. Oh, Ali now send message to me. I will read later. Dental clinic here.
I think
Hmm?
we can go there. More shorter way. With the drive. You see, we walk around.
Yes.
Big around.
Maybe more
We can
short
try now go there.
inside barangay.
Go back, but
Mhm.
that way.
Okay.
And ask, can we go or not?
I tried before. They say it is a closed road. Yes, so I think we cannot go to this way. I already tried maybe 2 years ago, and they step is local people say it not closed already. Maybe during COVID, I don't know. We can ask now. We can ask. If they say it open, we can go. If they say it closed, we not go. thank you. Do you know this road is open or not? Or road is closed? This road is closed.
Theodore Street. Theodore Street. We can walk
That's close, sir.
It's closed road.
for walk.
There's a lot of
Ah.
drug addict.
Hi? Yeah. Philippines.
We can ask.
Okay. Thank you. It's My Life Philippines. You can find in YouTube. Okay, thank you. You can ask who. Maybe local people know we can go or not.
Can we go to Theodore Street? Here.
This way. Thank you. Theodora Street. Okay, you Georgi asking people where? Turn right, left. Yes. Theodora Street we need.
Can we go to Theodore Street?
Not that. Here.
Ah.
And then downstairs, then
Where are you going, sir?
Theodora Street. Theodora Street.
Theodore Street, yes?
Theodore.
You straight. Okay, thank you. Georgi, not faster.
Theodore Street, yes?
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, nice dog. Yes. Good. Okay, thank you. Next time, maybe in the future. Oh, we already here.
You remember this place?
Yes, I remember. This is bridge.
Short way.
So you know short way. You need to go down. Yeah. Okay, let's go to this one. I don't know. Maybe like. Hi.
Video ko kay.
Okay. Hi. Oh, Georgi, so faster. This way.
Because I feel uncomfortable.
Comfort?
Not too much attention for me.
Yes, too much attention. Too much attention in the walking street. Here,
No,
or
it's okay.
walking street is okay for you. Okay.
My friend.
Hi. Good, thank you. Yeah, just walking only. Tiger, thank you. This is Tiger Hotel, we already see. We in the back side of Prime Asia Hotel now. Take a look, it's Prime Asia Hotel. Hi guys, please not walk here alone. Even daytime, better not go. We walk with Georgi together. That's why we not recommended go to even daytime. Better not walk because we don't know. But nighttime, of course. Nighttime you cannot find way. You take a look road. Take a look. We walk this way. No, nighttime, Georgi, you cannot find this road. I think nighttime don't have light. But I think in daytime you not walk here. Not go to this place. You cannot, not alone. Now 5:50 and we going to straight to the walking street, and we going to a cafe, drink coffee. I will drink water. Someone live here. Take a look. This is houses. Georgi, house for rent. Need to say to Nicholas. Nicholas like this. He interesting. But I see it's not so dirty. Take a look. This is, I expected maybe it's so dirty, but the road is dirty only here. Only this near Tiger Hotel. But before road is no, like forest, like we walk in the forest. Georgi, I want exploring every day new places. If you want, I can every day come because I like walk. I walk always in Clark or Barangay. If you want, we can go into another place. If you have time, I pick up you and we go into another place and walk.